might be doing this out of different order. It doesn't really matter. You just don't want to wait too long before you make any of your little lines on there. Little dot of white. Little itty bitty. Okay, nose, and then we can do the clippings on the cheeks. Okay, so repeat on the nose, ball, finger over half the ball, make a teardrop, place it right like this in the middle, push down, bend this up a little, turn it to the side, take your small embroidery scissors and cut more towards the bottom. Use the thick end of this tool and press in here, kind of hollow this out just a little bit, and then cup that with your fingers. Okay, then we go to the scissors. Again, these need to be clean. They have fondant on them, so that will stick to this fondant. And just make your little cuts. Okay, dusting time. Little bit of the pink, like we did on the first one on the chick. The cheeks, the chick's cheeks, the wings, a little in the body. Okay, then I will go to the purple. And just do a little around the edge of the egg. And up here on the egg. I'm just trying to go real light on this, a little at a time, because I don't want it to get all over the place. And then I can go to the blue and just do a little bit on the stripe, like that. Then we'll come over, and these are just little sugar pearls, and these are a lilac color. So for sugar pearls, to get them to stay in here, what you can do is use the back of the paintbrush like this and just poke little holes, not even going all the way in. Just little spots so that these pearls can sit in there and not roll all over the place as you're trying to pop them on. Take a tiny bit of water, just press them in. And there we go.